Hey guys, and welcome back to this section. So in this particular section we are talking about the package called as TTK, which is inbuilt in Tkinter. We are talking about that, but also we are talking about entries. Okay, so what is entry? You might be thinking like, hey, what is this? It's a new word. I know that in the Python programming it's a new word, but still, if you wanted to get some input from the user, what you wanted to do, you are just typing input, and in this input you can see send them a message, and whenever users see this message, the user can type it out. But here is the twist: when you are building any GUI application, so you need to get input from the user by the text field. Okay, so you might be heard about it, text field. So entry is moreover that. Okay, so let's get started. Now it's time to take a new, new file. So because every single component has its new file, so we can understand better and we can write some code in the better way. Okay, so now it's time to take let's say entry. All right, and in the entry we need to just import from import oh sorry from I just forgot it, tkinter. Okay, import let's just say star, and then same thing from tkinter. Oh, it's my mistake. From tkinter import ttk. Now after we assigning the star, we need to insert ttk, just because of ttk is a package which is inbuilt in tkinter, so you need to import that. Okay, it's not like that you can just saying that star and you can use the ttk. It's not like that. Okay, so you need to type out ttk. Okay, and after that you can just say that, hey, if you we are just our main variable, which is root, you can choose any variable. Okay, I'm just saying that is equal to tk. You can also use that. Okay, it's your choice. And now let's just say that, hey, I wanted to use entry. Okay, so how can I use entry? So let's type out here, entry is a variable is equal to ttk dot, and here you can see this, all the components have been presented, label frame, menu button, on lot more components have been presented. Okay, so you can choose anyone else, so I'm just saying that entry. Okay, and in the entry, if you wanted to give them some text, you can just, if you wanted to give them some kind of hint, you can also give them. Okay, but still we are not doing that. Let's just take button also. Okay, so in the ttk you are also use the button. Okay, so let me just give you an example, ttk dot, and here is the button, you can use it. Okay, it's not like that. And whenever I call you back, oh, it's not root, it's san. Okay, it's a san. Okay, and I just give him san, and that's pretty much it. I need to give them text also. Oh, what is that? Cook. That's pretty much it. So now let's just pack it out. Let's just pack entry pack. This is the amazing word, pack. I just love this button pack, and that's pretty much it. Let's say san. Let's just say san dot geometry, and in the geometry you can pass it 300, which is in the quotes, double quotes or single quotes, which you want. It's your choice, and that's pretty much it. And after the san, you can just go for the main loop, and that's pretty much it. And let me just run it. Now you can see here, this is your text view, or this is your entry where you can type out something. Like I can type my name, and if I just click here, you can see nothing has happened. So you can grab the difference between ttk button, and you can just see the difference between label button. Okay, let me just run this file also, so that you can understand it better way. And let me just open my second module. Okay, so now you can see this is our normal button, and this is our ttk enter button. Okay, so ttk button, so this looks pretty great. Before it look like this is a pressing style is different, and this pressing style is different. Okay, so that you can grab it any button which you really want. Okay, it's not like that you need a TTA button, you need a by default button. It's not like that. You can use any one which you really want. But entry is the TTK module. Okay, entry is available only on TTK. So that's why if you wanted to get some input from the user, you needs to use the TTK library, okay, or TTK module. It's just completely what you wanted to call it. So now let's do one more thing with it. In the previous section, we are talking about commands, right? Like this, like this. So now here is the thing. Let me just add some more commands here. Mm, let's just say that I just wanted to add one more command. Okay, command is equal to click, and that's pretty much it. Here I can just def click. Okay, and now here let me just create a label here so that I can just change the text of a label. So label, okay, and now let's check the ttk dot label. Okay, so let's just check it. We are using the ttk in this particular section, so it's really amazing. Okay, so text is equal to, why I'm just typing test, I just wanted to type in text. Okay, so now he is waiting for your answer right now. Still it's waiting, and after the waiting is end, you can just say that label dot config. Under the config you can say that text is equals to, now text is equals to, we need to get some information from the entry, right? So how can I get this? So entry dot, here is the twist, you can just use get method, and that's pretty much it. Okay, right now I think it's working pretty well. So now I need to pack the label here before I just run this program. Okay, I'm just forgetting to pack this label, pack it, and that's pretty much it. If I just run it here, okay, you can see this. So if I just type in my name here, and if I just click here, you can see this is still working. Okay, so nothing was so much of the difference with the label. It's look like by default label. If you wanted to use it, you can use it. It's completely your choice. Just go for it, create this, and do some more activities with it. Okay, like you can just create one more entry and take them take two input from the users, and you can say that do some more logics onto that, just like login features and lot more things. In the next section we are talking about that, how can we build a login system, how can we you know what, how can we define some more algorithms or more conditions onto the function. So that's why we can just generate more codes, and we can generate a lot more things with the help of Tkinter. So let's meet up in the next one.